different video for you today. So I'm putting together my new office. I know most of my content is usually to do with my engineering work and home projects and stuff like that, but at the end of the day, a lot of that stuff comes to life in this room, so it is really important. And I've never really had a nice workspace, I've never really had a nice office. So I'm really excited to get one going and have a nice workflow. My girlfriend Shanti is going to be helping me out today, doing some of the heavy lifting, and she helped with the renovation as well. So yeah, let's get to it. What's going on, guys? So we're finished up here. We didn't quite have time to record last night, it got a bit dark, but this is the setup. Got our dog TJ on the ground, loving the new carpet. So to start with the setup, to start with the speakers, so I've got some nice B&W speakers. I used to have some studio monitors, but I'm not really mixing any music anymore, so there's no need. These just sound so much better. And they're powered from a NAD amplifier down here, and I've got them on a custom built speaker mount. I water jet cutted some steel and welded it up, and then ran the cabling through the wall. A little bit excessive, but came up really nice, and it was always a plan, so I'm glad I did it. And then with the computers, so I do most of my work on this laptop, to be honest, but it's definitely on its last leg. Same with the desktop. We've got a really old desktop computer down here. I mainly just use that for rendering things and stuff like that. It's a little bit sort of passive. Well overdue for an upgrade, but I'm starting a new job in January, and I want to see how much work I do from home, and that'll kind of dictate how much money I put into the new desktop computer. And yeah, if I go all out with that, then I'll make a new video on that, because it'll be a custom built engineering PC. But for now, this will do. This will do the job. Nothing fancy. Got my $20 keyboard and mouse still going strong. And yeah, that's about it for the desk. And then just over here I've got a bit more space for just the modems and my NAS. It's also due for an upgrade, and security camera and stuff like that. So coming on to the other side, we've got the whiteboard where the ideas come to life, and then I've got some nice storage space. So nice and organised storage space now. Really looking forward to keeping that like that for as long as I can. And yeah, that about does it, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed it. I know it's a bit different to my usual content, but I've had a lot of requests on doing some engineering videos on the jet engine that I built, and I needed a space to record and do that. And yeah, until then, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't, and stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you then. Thanks for watching.